इतनी अच्छी थी कि वो अपनी प्यार की निशानी भी छोड़ के गई है हम पे। So what's up people, welcome back to the channel. So आज मतलब क्या होता है, सीज़न के स्टार्टिंग में फैमिली वाले सब बीमार हो गए थे, सबको कोविड हो गया था, इसके लिए वो रश की वजह से हम लोग कुछ ला नहीं पाए थे। मतलब यू नो वी वर ब्रिंगिंग फ्रूट्स एंड स्टफ, बट वो मन नहीं करता ना यार, अगर आपके कोई परिवार वाला बीमार हो तो यू डोंट फील लाइक ईटिंग एनीथिंग, राइट? सो इसलिए कुछ ला नहीं पाए थे। तो अभी हम कल गए, अभी सब का मूड अच्छा था तो हम बॉक्सेस लेके आए, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, लाइक these were the sweetest mangoes I ever had in my entire life. क्या taste है यार इस पर? I guess it is like I ate after a long time, like maybe after a few months. That's why I don't know. So I won't be having my lunch right now. And yep, as you can see, I have started wearing such clothes in my house because हम थोड़े से पतले हो गए हैं। ये सारे कपड़े बहुत सालों से मेरे वार्डरोब में पड़े थे, लेकिन हमें पहनने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही थी क्योंकि हमारे शोल्डर्स जो हैं वो इतने फिट दिख नहीं रहे थे, लेकिन अब वो दिखने लगे हैं क्योंकि बदलाव ही तो जीवन का नाम है। नहीं, जीवन का नाम ही तो बदलाव है। सो लाइफ्स गुड, फिजिक्स गुड, लेट्स वर्क हार्ड, लेट्स अर्न सम मनी, लेट्स डू सम चैरिटी, लेट्स मेक सम म्यूज़िक एंड लेट्स ट्रैवल, दैट्स इट, स्प्रेड लव। अभी आते हैं थोड़ी देर में, थोड़ा सा काम ख़त्म करके फिर मिलते हैं। शायद आज हमको थोड़ा सा घर का लाइक सारे, कल मैं गया था शॉपिंग के लिए, बट अभी हमको सैनिटरी वेयर लाना है और वो मैंने टीवी चालू कर दिया। गॉड सॉरी। सो आज इतने आम खाए दैट मैंने खाना भी नहीं खाया, तो वो कम था दैट आई एम मेकिंग मैंगो लस्सी वंस अगेन फॉर मी। सो लेट्स डू इट। सो विल टेक अ मैंगो, वी हैव द कर्ड इनसाइड दिस, ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट थिंक सो दिस इज पोजिशन्ड सो वेल, सो वी विल पुट इट हियर। ग्रेट सक्सेस। उतरा क्यों नहीं अभी तक? उतर जाना चाहिए था यार, क्यों नहीं? Just a second. Oh, all right. So this has been peeled off. Let's do it then. ब्लेंड इज रेडी। ड्राई फ्रूट्स को थोड़ा कूट लेंगे। ये जो पतला होने का राज है वो यही है, पूरा दिन मैंगो खाओ, लस्सी पियो, मजा नहीं लाइफ। Take a few almonds, take cashews, and then I don't like kishmish at all. I just don't like it. Let's get this all back to the fridge. Let's just हमने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा ही सिर्फ कूटा है इसको। We will just open it up and add this inside. बेटा गिरना नहीं बाहर बेटा, मतलब तुम इज्जत उतार दोगे भाई। So it's successfully gone inside. Just let's close it up. ये तोड़ दिया है मैंने आज, आ गया यार, मार पड़ने वाली है मुझको। Let's go. Now we'll just take out the glasses, either these two or the mason jars, but the mason jars are not that much good for, so we will just take out these. These we bought from Cello, as you can see here they are. Some Cello Preco or something, and these are so delicate. This is more delicate than my heart. Played it. अरे वो क्यों नहीं रहा? And it looks very creamy. Great. हमने गलती क्या की कि हमने सारे ड्राई फ्रूट्स डाल दिए, so ऊपर से डालना कुछ बचा ही नहीं, but that's okay, ये भी चलेगा। Let's get some malai out of the fridge, and also फ्रिज खोल ही दिया है तो ये सब भी अंदर रखना पड़ेगा ना। बंद हो जा। Actually we like put them in containers, but ये इस बार रहेगा because we were all very much busy with work. Yeah, This is the Chinese as well as healthy section. unhealthy, healthy. Wow. So we have this malai. I'm using this as a stand, man. Fuck it, shit. Okay, people. So we'll just add a spoon of malai and this is completely homemade malai. It looks tempting here. It's amazing. Just skim it off थोड़ा सा because फ्रिज में रख के बहुत ही कड़क हो जाती है. Just put it above it. It tastes amazing. I know calories, but pretty good calories. And we have our glasses ready. Cheers to us. And also you can just garnish it with any dry fruits that you like. And क्या कहे, लस्सी इतनी अच्छी थी कि वो अपनी प्यार की निशानी भी छोड़ के गई है हम पे. That was so lame ना माँ. Lame, वो lame तूने यहाँ. My mom is thinking कि इसको अडॉप्ट किया था या हॉस्पिटल में बदल चुका था. Am I right? प्यार की निशानी तो छोड़ो, मम्मी के गुस्से की निशानी ज़रूर मिल जाएगी मुझे. Okay, so we have to go out to fetch some things for the house, and I should start wearing much of these tank tops. They make me look good. What do you say? That's the reason I have kept it here is because कोई भी mask हो, after the black fungus and stuff has started, always remember to wear those masks after they are heated. Like अगर आपके पास heated environment नहीं है, like मेरे window से सीधा sunlight आता है मेरे room में, so that's why I keep it there on the window, and I keep the window closed, of course, so there is no issue of dust and stuff. So it gets heated, right? Natural heat. But if it is something that you have just washed your masks and you got to take it out, but just don't take it, at least press हो गरम करके उस press को एक बार घुमा लो. Just make sure it is a bit warm, right? And that's it. That was a free advice. Adios. So yeah, obviously this is very irrelevant to put this in the vlog, of course. बहुत अच्छा progress हुआ, and that is that कि जो हमारे jeans भाई साहब, अरे भाई तू साइड में रह नहीं रहे, तो वो हमें इतना लूज हो गए, right? So and as you can see it looks very baggy. कर क्या सकते हैं, सह लेंगे थोड़ा. So that's why I gotta wear all these clothes and just wait for them to tear up or just donate it to someone. The belt on, watch on, and wait for it to go. So as you have seen, this is my fee debit card, that's my sunglasses, that's my Louis Philippe wallet. My neighbor gifted that to me. बहुत सही सही गिफ्ट है इस समय मेरे को, महंगे महंगे गिफ्ट. Okay, so just let's get this with and the belt. I have a bit kind of OCD, so I keep things arranged. So I just have an habit to keep my stuff at a particular place. Like everything has its own defined place. With the printer papers, the ink and stuff. So what I do is my mom knows where the stuff is, right? So whenever I need something urgently, I just call her up. Please just keep this ready. I'm coming in 5 minutes, and she just has it ready all the time because she never had to call me for the second time to ask where am I keeping those stuff. So that's how you should be, arranged, organized. But I guess I'm not organized that much mentally or emotionally because it is all very much cluttered inside here and here too. If I am the prince to rain check plans, then my mom is the queen to rain check plans, and we are not going out. Ta-da! So ये कपड़े वापस बदलेंगे, वापस हैंगर पे जाएंगे. के दिन इतने आम खाने के बाद और क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट कर सकेंगे कि और कितना अच्छा जाएगा हमारा दिन, कितना अच्छा. तो इतना अच्छा कि बाहर ज़ोरों की बारिश हो रही है, इतनी ज़ोरों की हो रही है. Wait, I will just show you. So my camera is not getting blurred. बारिश इतनी है कि you cannot see anything and see the lightning, man. अच्छा टाइम लैप्स नहीं था, अरे काहे को नहीं था रे, फ़ोन को रिस्क लेके डाला है, थोड़ा प्यार दिखा देना और क्या. So the day was amazing. I finished up my office work. I already have one vlog pending to edit, and then I will be editing it, I don't know when. So right now, right there, yep, I am studying for something, and I'm just taking the mock tests right now for it, and then will be applying for the same. I will be appearing for the same in around July second week or third week maybe. So basically I'm preparing for IELTS, and I don't know if I'm planning to move out completely. Like I'm pretty sure to move out completely or not, but and yeah, that's thunder. So बिजली का कड़क रही है भाई यहाँ पे. I'm not very much sure to move out, but I guess it's better to be prepared that whenever my mind changes, I might just fly away. So that's the best thing. So yeah, that's the reason I'm preparing for IELTS, and I'm just studying for the mock tests, and I've been appearing for it. So far the scores are pretty good, and I don't think so there will be any issue for me to click the exam with the bands that I need, and maybe I can get more than needed, so that will be a good thing. So I was just about to do this, that if any of you guys wants to appear for IELTS, and if you want me to make detailed video about how to write the exams, how to prepare for it, and how to look at the test, the whole IELTS test in a way that you can crack it easily. So I would be very much glad to make a separate video on that. So अगर आपको सही में IELTS के बारे में ठीक से ढंग से जानना है, and I will make a detailed video about it, that what all things to keep in mind, how to enhance your skills orally, verbally, and in written skills, so that you can crack that exam easily. Even you should not need more than a month for it, right? Even for the people who haven't been through English medium since their childhood, it is not a big deal to crack the IELTS test, right? So it just needs your perspective, it just needs your persistence, your determination, and that's all. I will move back to my preparations, and I will just complete the mock test. So see you tomorrow, guys, because I think I won't be vlogging much.